Welcome to my channel. My name's Jared, and today we're going on a road trip. We're going to drive the 356 from Los Angeles up to PCH through Big Sur all the way to San Francisco. We're in Venice Beach right now. That's the boardwalk. Downtown LA is right over there. Let's get to it. All right, so that was Venice Beach. Next stop, Santa Barbara. We're out on Stearns Wharf, which is a rickety old wooden pier that you can drive on. We're gonna check out this area and then we'll be going to Pismo Beach next. So we're in Pismo Beach right now, and you can actually drive on the beach here. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome. I definitely feel like I could get stuck here. Very cool driving on the beach, but now it's time to wash that sand and salt off the bottom of the car. Thanks, man. All right, well, that was Pismo Beach. All right, so it's day 2. Today's gonna be the best part of the drive. Today, we're gonna go through Big Sur, which is considered one of the most beautiful drives in the country. gonna fill up the tank for $5.69 a gallon. That's awesome. Yeah. All right, I guess we're not gonna get gas after all. This place is not open. I don't see very many gas stations on this route, so hopefully this doesn't become a problem. We have less than half a tank. And this thing goes through gas pretty fast, so fingers crossed. See if this one's open. This looks promising. Whoa! This one is $7.59 a gallon. May have to take out a small mortgage for this. Okay. All right, so that's definitely the most expensive gas I have ever bought. I couldn't even fill it up. I just couldn't do it. I paid $50 for 6.6 gallons of gas. That's more than enough to get us to the next gas station, I'm sure. All right, we're good to go now. Alright, so that was Big Sur and the scenic drive. That was beautiful. That was an awesome drive. Next stop is Monterey. Okay, so I should probably point out that it's not normal to have people on the side of the road photographing you. That doesn't happen all the time. This week is a big car week in Monterey. There's several auctions. I'm going to try to go to some of them if I can. There's several car shows I'm going to try to go to, but I'm pretty limited on time, so I won't be able to see much. So I don't know if those things will be included in this video or in the follow-up video, but that's why there are so many people on the side, like this guy here taking our photo. It's a big car week, so I didn't realize there would be people out here on the road photographing stuff, but that's obviously why they're here. This is not normal. Wow. This might actually be one of the organized drives. Very cool. Whoa, look at this one. Wow. Yeah, this must be one of the organized drives here. Very cool. Very cool. All right, so this is Carmel by the Sea. We're going to keep going through here. We're going to go to Monterey. I don't know if we're going to stop in Monterey today. I think I might just go straight to San Francisco and finish this drive. But tomorrow I'm going to go to a Porsche car show near Monterey for sure. And I'll most likely go to the Mecum auction as well. So that'll probably be in the update video that comes out after this drive video. We'll probably just finish out this drive video today, and then tomorrow we'll go to some events on our way home. It's going to be a 2-day drive home as well. Thanks, man. I turn up the AC, man. It's hot. Okay, so that was Santa Cruz. I believe the next stop is going to be San Francisco. Should be nice and cool there. It's hot here.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto 3rd Street.
Okay, we made it. We're finally in San Francisco. We're gonna go drive across the Golden Gate Bridge, get some photos, and then we'll go check out the city. There it is. Sweet. All right, we made it. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. The car did great. We're gonna go check out the city now. But thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Bye.
Let's go.